I'm going to be doing a video on setting up test rigs for new employees, maybe possibly for new products, and possibly just for your test bench in general. And what I have is an old linear AM3. I am going to take the base of, I think, a LiftMaster barrier arm and actually use this to mount the test kit on there. And I'm going to use the exact housing. I'm going to use probably this P-bus. Yeah, this is an RRR, so it's a P-bus receiver. And I'm going to use probably a Altronix SMP3 power supply. That'll give us the ability to have 12, 24, or 6 volts DC directly here. And then we'll just power this via the 12 volts DC and then probably put a terminal block on the bottom. But anyways, I thought I would do just a real quick video just in case anybody had any opinion on it. I'm going to put a handle on the top. This will be the top because it's got the 2x4s there, which is great because it just has two 2x4s right here. So what I may be able to do is actually set this up at an angle and then put a terminal strip on the back, and then on that terminal strip also put some switches as well too, and be able to interject faults. I can do opens, I could do shorts, I could do high resistance, I could do miswires, I could do, like for instance, data 0 and data 1 and switch those data 0 and data 1 over here, those types of things. So it'll actually be a pretty interesting test. And then what I'm going to do is actually bring some peripherals in like this wireless receiver, door contact. I'm going to leave it in this case, one for durability, but two, it also has this tamper resistant door switch on it, so we'll be able to see what a tamper looks like in transactions. And because it's old and we took it out of an existing system, it's free, so that's the greatest thing about it. But what's cool about it is it's no different than any modern access control panel. There's zero difference. It has the capability to do RS-485, has the capability with an external module to do TCP IP to RS-232. It has a POTS line built into it. It's got multiple inputs, request to exits. It's got proprietary protocol. It's got Wiegand 26-bit. Has the ability to be battery backed up. So just a bunch of different scenarios that we can run through that will get an access control technician up and running pretty quick with basic installation, basic diagnostics, basic day-to-day use. We can hook this up to a gate opener. We can hook it up to possibly a simulated door. And then how you might actually see this in a regular scenario. So do a request to exit button, do third-party equipment that's rarely seen hooked up to it, such as a wireless receiver hooking up to request to exit. Why would you want to hook it up to request to exit as opposed to just running the relay through it, and so on. So anyways, I started this video just to see. I'm gonna put it out there and see if anybody has any additional input that they can think of. I'm sure the biggest thing will be, well, why don't you use something modern? When we get sponsorship for the school and for classes, we'll use something modern. But for right now, I thought that would be a good little test slash learning station for the classes that we want to do and for other things that we have going on in different businesses. What's your opinion?